As you can see today, it's pretty much clouded over. It's been raining now for about 3 days. We're expecting more rain for another 3 or 4 days. This is the first week in January 21. You wouldn't believe it. Usually the weather in Spain between I'd say April to September it's actually hotter than Jamaica. But yeah, as you can see, there's the clouds and the whatever else there is come right down on the mountain. You can't see them normally. You can see right at the top of that mountain. As you can see, it's clouded over now. Pretty much all clouded over. The pool is melted. The ice is melted because obviously the rain has melted it. Because like I said, it's been raining now for about 3 days, so it's pretty much clouded over. Dull. During July, August, you can't even come out in this sun. You burn to a crisp. That's how hot it is. It can get up to 46 degrees in the summer. You would not believe how hot this place can get in the summer. But in the winter, especially in January, this is the worst month as it is. This month, and possibly the beginning of Feb, they're pretty cold months. At the moment, it's so cold, I can hardly feel my fingers. Come to sunny Spain, they say. Look at it. Yep. Cloudy. But you know, you gotta take the rough with the smooth. It's still a pretty chilled place to live. You know, I just got back in from going out to the shops, and I'm not fighting the traffic. Main road, and there's hardly a car in sight. Just an odd car going up and down. I like it that way sometimes. I don't really like a lot of rushing about. I was born in Montego Bay. I was brought up in a country, so I'm a country boy really. I don't really mind living in a rural area like this. It's alright. It's got its ups and it's got its downs. I like to dip into the city now and again. I might go into Valencia or Barcelona, take a drive. I like to dip in and dip out again. Go buy stuff in Valencia that probably wouldn't be able to get in a small town where I live at the moment. But yeah, I don't mind the city. I've lived in cities, but I much prefer to live in a rural area where you can just dip in and dip out, like I say, you know. Yeah. Anyway, Benji, say hello, mate. Say hello. Still got his gym gear on because today is gym day as well. You want me to spot you, bro? Come say hello. What's up? Eh? Say hello, alright. Okay, he said his hello. Right, that's it. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm just gonna have to log out of this one at the moment, just so you could see what the weather is like in Spain. Later on I'll show you a little bit. I'll go on a little bit of a travel up the mountain so you can see up in the mountains, see what it's like, proper mountain villages. The people places they live up there. I don't know how to manage to shop, because the nearest shop is probably half an hour's drive away, literally. So yeah, all right, that's it enough. That's it for today. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.